Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to teach you the next step in solving the Rubik's Cube, that is to solve the 4T's. So as you remember, in my previous video in the Rubik's Cube tutorial series, I taught you how to solve a white cross like this, a plus with all the edge and center pieces matched according to the colors. Okay, now we are going to take it to the next level, which is to solve the 4T's. Okay, so we are going to solve these two corner pieces along with the edges. Okay, so there will be blue and blue here, orange and orange here, green and green here, red and red here. Okay, so let's start from here. So what you want to achieve is this. Okay, now let me tell you, after you solve the white cross, you need to follow some certain algorithms. Okay, so you can either write those down. I'll just be sharing them on the screen right here. Okay, so you can find these white corner pieces. Okay, they're not the edge pieces. Now this is the beginner's method, which is one of the easiest methods to solve the Rubik's Cube. I think it is the easiest. Now as you can see, we have to look for these white corner pieces. I find one here and I see its top and side colors. So here it is orange and here it is blue. So now let's say I found it here or here. So orange and blue, those give me a clue where it should be. So I'll take them between the orange and blue centers, orange here, blue here. Now what I do, if this corner piece is on the right side of the cube, I'll have to move it to the left. So I want to bring this here so that the orange comes here, the blue comes here. So if this is on the right side, we move it to the left. So U R, then bring this back. Got it? So let's recap. It's like this. Bring it here, here. So let's go. That we have solved one corner piece. We almost have the orange tea. Let's look for the next one. So as you can see, this one is between blue and red. It's already between blue and red. If it wasn't, you would bring it. Now since it's on the right side, we again follow the same step. We'll move it to the left. R, U prime, R prime. See, we have solved another corner, but that is still not matched with the edge. I'll come to that later. Orange and orange and green. So we take it to the orange and green centers. Since you're on the right side, move it to the left, up, bring it back. We have successfully completed the orange cross, the T's, the blue T's, and we just have to put in this corner piece to finish our task. So yeah, this is case number 1. I'm going to share some cases with you. So what to do if your corner piece is, instead of here or here, it's on the top? Don't worry. So you just have to follow this algorithm. R, U to R prime. What that does is it brings it to either the left or the right. Sometimes you have to do it 2 times to make it work. So as you can see, this is on the left side, so I have to move it to the right. Bring it up, left. So we have successfully completed the 4 T's. You can see the 4 T's exactly like this one. That brings us to the middle layer. I'll be posting about the middle layer tutorial in the next video. Stay tuned.